In a world of digital connections, a new kind of money is emerging, one born from code and secured by cryptography. It's not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about value, exchange, and the very fabric of our financial systems. This is the story of cryptocurrency, a force that is reshaping our world from the ground up. Forget what you think you know about finance, because the revolution is already here, and it's happening on a global, decentralized scale. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, such as the US dollar or the euro, most cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they are not controlled by any single entity, like a bank or government. Instead, they operate on a technology that allows for secure, peer-to-peer transactions. Imagine sending money directly to someone on the other side of the world instantly, without needing a bank to act as an intermediary. This is the promise of crypto, a financial system that is more open, transparent, and accessible to everyone, everywhere. It's a system built on trust, but not the trust of an institution, the trust of mathematics and code. The magic behind this decentralized system is a groundbreaking technology called blockchain. Picture a digital ledger like a gigantic shared notebook that is distributed across a vast network of computers. Each time a transaction occurs, it's recorded as a block of data. This block is then cryptographically linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or removed, creating an immutable and transparent record of every transaction ever made. This ingenious design is what gives cryptocurrency its security and resilience. It's not just a database. It's a self-verifying, tamper-proof system that eliminates the need for a central authority to validate and secure financial interactions. The implications of this technology for the traditional financial landscape are profound. For centuries, our financial world has revolved around centralized institutions like banks, which act as trusted third parties for everything from loans to international transfers. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology challenge this long-standing model by offering a decentralized alternative. This shift from banks to blocks represents a financial revolution in the making. It introduces the potential for lower transaction fees, faster cross-border payments, and greater financial inclusion for billions of people who are currently underserved by the traditional banking system. While banks rely on centralized ledgers and established infrastructure, the world of crypto operates on a global, borderless network, rewriting the rules of finance for a digital age. Looking ahead, the future of cryptocurrency appears brighter and more integrated than ever. We're moving beyond the initial phase of speculation and entering an era of real-world application. Imagine futuristic cities where you pay for your morning coffee, public transport, or even your rent using a digital wallet on your phone, with transactions settling in seconds. This isn't science fiction, it's the direction we are heading. Developers are building decentralized applications, DApps, that could one day power everything from social media networks to voting systems, all running on blockchain. As the technology matures and regulatory frameworks become clearer, cryptocurrency is poised to become a seamless and integral part of our daily economic lives, defining the next chapter of our digital existence. The journey of cryptocurrency is just beginning, and it's a story filled with both incredible potential and significant challenges. It represents a bold reimagining of our financial world, offering a glimpse into a future that is more decentralized, transparent, and equitable. But like any powerful innovation, it also raises important questions about security, regulation, and accessibility. The conversation is far from over. In fact, it has only just started. As this technology continues to evolve, it's crucial for all of us to stay informed, ask questions, and participate in shaping its future. The new financial world is being built right now, and you have a role to play.